Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's tutorial, I will show you on how you can transfer Notcoin from your OKX wallet to the Tonkeeper wallet. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now from the Tonkeeper wallet, you can just go ahead and click on the receive button, and you want to copy the wallet address from your Toncoin right here. Now after copying the wallet address, you basically want to navigate through the OKX wallet, and inside OKX, you can just go ahead and open up your Notcoin right here. And basically after finding the Notcoin inside OKX, you can just go ahead and click on it. I just have USDT right here as an example. And from here, you basically want to tap on the send button, and you can just go ahead and paste the wallet address that we have copied inside the Tonkeeper wallet. So if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time. And as always, thank you.